at Mongkok Street. And we are here to find or search for Indian food. So I'm going to meet Hanisi and Annalisa because they're going to join with me, and come and go with me, and we both search for the Indian cooking. So this is the first time we're going to try. So we'll see how it tastes like, and I will update you later. And look at that. This is the food that we're going to try. This still not open yet, and I think they will open later. It's nice to come here in the afternoon because it's already 12, but we just started to open. So here you go, honey. Say hi to the vlog.
Hi, 180.
Ordering food that we don't know. This waiter, he told us that we order very heavy meal, so he helped us to adjust our food. So let's see what it tastes like later. I'm very excited about this. So we order naan, we order chicken curry, mutton curry, chicken biryani, and actually I want to order 2 prata, but they say just order 1 because it's too heavy. So I'm very excited, I cannot wait. I did not eat breakfast for this because I prepared for eating heavy meals. I don't have a lipstick because I'm wearing mask, so you don't have to wear a lipstick, so that's fine. They're cooking it from the kitchen, but I can smell now the chicken biryani. It makes me hungry by the smell of it. Bread. It's similar to pita bread, but the naan bread has a yogurt in it. And this is our chicken tikka. Look at that. Chicken tikka. This is our chicken curry. Look at that. It's very spicy. And this is our mutton or goat curry. And of course, chicken biryani must have a rice always. So let's do it, guys. In the plate. Okay, what we're gonna do is paratha.
Bakang sabaw.
And dip into the sauce. Very nice, very delicious. But it's very spicy.
Like
What is the difference between the naan and the paratha?
Paratha is more flaky. You can see it's more flaky. They say paratha is like they have to soak it in oil, a lot of oil in order to make the paratha. But the naan, it's exactly the same like the bread, but none has yogurt, correct? Chicken tikka. I can smell the spice. This chicken in my chicken biryani. So,
Hindi ang manghang.
okay, manghang. Alam mo, nanginginig yung malang-alang.
Alam mo kasi yan sila, ang dami nilang spices is talagang ginagamit.
The chicken is very fresh.
Philippines.
This restaurant is Miss India, so if you want to eat some Indian food, come and visit at Mongkok area. Find the Miss India restaurant. They have very nice food. This is not a paid advertisement. We pay our own money for this.
Ito, ganito. Hindi mo ganun kapsa.
It's very spicy. Indian food is very spicy. That's very yummy. It is very yummy. This is the mutton curry or goat. Goat ba dahil mutton? Lamb. Lamb. Carnero sa Tagalog. Tupa. Tupa. It's very soft.
Ano masarap? Masasaw din nga pag
Lamb meat in Hong Kong is very expensive. So it's no surprise that this is quite expensive. Can you say about the food, Annalisa, in English? Can you say what can you say about the food?
delicious.
Finish eating, this that one, nothing left. Ubus, nothing. Finish. This is finished also. So it's little bit like rice and chicken. Can you see? Yours. The food is super delicious.